Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute Christmas hat. Make a magic circle. Insert your hook into these yarns. Bring yarn, turn it. Make a chain. Yarn over, go into this ring. Hide this under a stitch. Make double crochet. Bring yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go to this ring, bring yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, bring yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through, make double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 double crochet. Make 7 double crochet. Now in this row we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stitches. Insert your hook into this chain, top of first stitch. This chain, yarn over, pull through, make one chain, yarn over, go to first row, make one double crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet in each stitch. In second row now we have 16 stitches. Go to first chain, top of first stitch, yarn over, pull through a slip stitch, make a chain, yarn over, go to first stitch, make one double crochet, go to next stitch, make one double crochet, go to next stitch, make 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and repeat 2 1 2 1 double crochet in stitches, 2 1 double crochet. In this row we have 24 stitches, a slip stitch, make a chain, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 2, 1 1, and repeat 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 stitch for this row. Now we have 32 stitches in this row. A slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 double crochet in first stitch, 1 1 1 double crochet in next stitch 3 times, 1 2 3, 1 2 double crochet in this stitch, 1 1 1 double crochet in this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in this stitch, and repeat 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 for this row. Now we have 40 stitches in this row. A slip stitch, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in first stitch, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Repeat this. Repeat 1 double crochet in each stitch 4 times. 1 2 3 4 times. 1 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet in this stitch, 1 2 double crochet. In this row we have 48 stitches. A slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 double crochet in first stitch, and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. After this rows, insert your hook into first chain, top of first stitch, change color, a slip stitch, go to previous stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, bring yarn, yarn over, pull through, go to previous stitch, over, yarn over, pull through. Make a magic circle, make one chain, and make 7 double crochet in this ring. A slip stitch and make a little circle. Make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue. Skip 2 chains, go to next chain and make 1 double crochet in each stitch.